Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to a brand new analysis of a new day. And we are going to break down the support, resistance, and key zones from the today's market. And we will enter the market where, when, and what will be or would be condition to enter the market. We will break down all of them or all of these strategies. So let's get started. And before we start, we need to recap our yesterday's analysis. As you can see, that was our yesterday's trendline zone, and I told that market was maybe around that particular area, and I told that we will wait till the particular area, then we can enter after confirmation or candle confirmation. And we got our candle confirmation, and we updated that on our Telegram channel, and we took sell entry. And as you can see, there is 600 pips plus massive drop from the market, so we got it. Okay, and as per our analysis style, we will start our analysis today with higher time frame to find market direction or where to go. Then we will find out path or entry and lower time frame like H1 or H4 time frame. So let's get back into our time frame, higher time frame like a daily time frame. And as you can see there, beginning of the week, the Monday market was on bullish momentum, and today it's just trying to move on bullish. Okay, and we can expect that market drove still that particular area. Okay, that particular area or that area. Okay, that particular area, so we can accept that. That means this is our key support zone. Okay, key support zone, and market drop till there, then either it will go up, either it will go down. Okay, that means we are confirmed now. That means there is 50-50 chance, but I am assuming that market will drop till that particular area, so it will drop, but you can't enter right now. You have to wait for a confirmation. So let's find out the confirmation in each one time frame. Okay, as you can see there is a lot of thing to go, or there is a lot of thing to do right now. And if I want to draw yesterday's candlesticks here to here, okay, it was there. Okay, fine now. And today there is another channel formed already. As you can see there is another channel already formed. And what you need to do right now, we have to wait till the breakout, then we will wait for the pullback, then we can enter the market for the sell entry. Otherwise, if it gives us a buy confirmation, then we can buy till that particular area. That means there is also a small channel. We will see that in a smaller time frame. Okay, so I will draw them later. And for now, there can be two things. Number one, that will be go up with a candle confirmation. That means we have to wait for a buy confirmation, otherwise it will give us a breakout, then we will wait for the pullback. And again, around that particular zone, when we got a sell confirmation, then we can enter the sell for the area or for the support area. Okay, and in that case, our risk reward ratio will be 1:3. That means if you want to take 50 bips sell, you have to take 150 bips TP. That means set your SL is 1, set your TP is equal to 3. This is the particular ratio 1:3 that we always trade with. So let's remove all of them and let's go for a small time frame. Like if you want to trade like me, like Mr. Boom, that means like a smaller time frame. So as you can see there, in M15 time frame, there is a channel formed over here, and there is another channel going to form. So let's copy this one and this one as like H1. Okay, so for channel trading, what we need to do, as you can see there is a breakout from that, and again there. Okay, a lot of time there, and again there, again. Okay, that can be continuously happened till breakout of where, and till there or there. After breakout, we will wait for retest, then we can buy entry. Same for bearish side. After breakout, we will wait for pullback, then we can take a sell entry. Okay, so this is the current scenario. no buy or sell for now, but we have to wait for the market momentum or for the confirmation, then we can enter the market. So I hope all thing is clear now. For more query or for free signal or free channel analysis, you may join our public telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. Or if you have any query or question about today's market movement or momentum, you may ask me on telegram channel. I am always happy to assist you or happy to reply you. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.